Hey everyone, this is Mr. Isometric and I was actually working on this car game project over here, as you all know if you are following the tutorial series. And for this tutorial I was in need of a random number between -7.5 and 7.5. So I just took this random range node and I saw that this number is actually really highly precise. It's over 5 or 6 decimal points over here, and I actually don't want that. So there was the way online to make this precision level a little bit less, but there was none of them for the Unity Bolt or like visual scripting. So here's the way how you do it in visual scripting. So you take that highly precise number and you multiply that with some number over here. As you can see, I have 100 over there, and then you choose either a math function or this just a round function. Both are for rounding the rounding of the numbers. You can just right click and add unit and just select round. So as you can see, you can round so many different variables such as a scalar number, a vector 3, vector 4, and the same goes for rounding off with the math function. So I was actually happy with just a normal scalar round off. So doesn't matter any one of these you choose, it's up to you. It doesn't really matter. I can also choose a ceiling over here. Okay, so after that you just have to divide that number with the same number, or I'll just show something really interesting now. If I just plug that over here, as you can see, that highly precise number is now at 2 decimal points. And to increase that, I'll just add a 0 over here, and now it's a 3 decimal point number. So this divide actually is used for changing your precision level. The more the zeros you put here, the more precision you get. Okay, let me change that to 100. And this multiply over here, this determines how many digits are there before your decimal point. Okay, so if I just plug there 10, as you can see, once I have went a 0 more than this divide, then here the number of digit increases. So as there is one digit more over here, I mean here it is 1000 and here it is 100, so the two digits will appear over before the decimal point. So you can just play with it. So that's how you convert your float value to or I can say you can decrease your precision of your float value, or you can actually completely remove that by just if you just remove this divide over from here and just plug this ceiling value over there. So now you have a complete integer value. And if I just remove zeros from here, as you can see, I get a number which is actually a single decimal place number, you can say that. Okay, so that's how you change your float value to either integer, or you can just decrease its precision or increase its precision according to your needs. I thought this video must be useful because a lot of you developers will actually face this problem in your future game development. So thought why not make a video over this. So that's how you do this in Unity Bolt. I think you can do the same with in the C# script. You just have to take your number, store it somewhere, then multiply it, round it and divide it, and I think you're then good to go. Please do support this series. If you want to learn more about mobile games, how to make mobile games, you can watch this series. I'll see you in the next video of this mobile game tutorial series. Stay tuned and subscribe. You know what to do. So yeah, bye bye.